Ho 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 and welcome to day 21 of Coordinated Mind Study Advent Calendar. Today we're talking about mark schemes. Now I know yesterday we talked about past papers, but just as important as it is to do a past paper, it's important to have the mark scheme that goes with that past paper. It seems kind of obvious, right? But I know loads of students that do past papers that they don't have mark schemes for. There is no point in doing something that you can't mark. Whether that's questions from the book or whether that's past papers, you need to make sure your answer is on point. So past papers does a couple of things. One, it lets you know whether your question is correct, your answer is correct or not. But two, it also gives you an insight into what the examiner is actually asking from you. A lot of times with certain questions, there are multiple answers. There are more answers than there are marks. So you can kind of see the way the examiner is leaning on an exam paper. And these can give you real insights into how to pick up the most bang for your buck, right? So how to get the most marks for the least effort. Now, effort's kind of the wrong term, but for the least amount of writing. There's nothing worse than writing like an essay for a 6-mark question and picking up 1 mark. You want to be able to write a kind of paragraph and pick up 6 marks. So those mark schemes really give you an insight. So make sure you look at them properly. Don't just mark your paper. I mean, obviously mark your paper, but look at them. Look at the marks that you've missed. And then what I would personally do is write model answers from the mark schemes for every single mark that you've missed. Whether that's a 1-mark question or a 6-mark question, you want to have a model answer for every single mark that you've missed. Okay, well that's day 21. I look forward to seeing you behind day 22, and as always, study like a boss.